Look, why are they so close to each other? Isn't that like a violation? They're not supposed to be that close. I can fit them both in my screen. The big jet. Believe it or not, that big jet's fucking with me right now. Look how low he is. See that one way over there? I'm definitely getting burned right now. Over there and right there. This is a good ass video. One of my best ones. Look, he's coming back. I'm gonna flip a bitch and come back and meet him. Oh, look at this. Perfect. Thank you. I don't have to go too far for this one. 2C RD36P.